Welcome, cousins and Hannah, to my parents' kitchen. Today I'm going to either prove Evey right or wrong, and I'm going to win either way, because I'm going to make dirt cups. I don't really have a good way to show you what I have in front of me at the same time as I'm filming this video on my computer. But I just learned how to overlay videos and images in iMovie, so it'll be a scuffed nonsense thing. I'll take some videos with my phone. But in front of me I have the Oreos from the weekend. I actually already put them all into this bag because I was thinking about pre-crushing them, since I know that crushing them really stressed Evey out when I was doing it before, but I'll probably speed through that. I have my 2 Jell-O packets, and I have the rest of the gummy worms from the weekend, and I got some more gummy worms because they were really good, and I love gummy worms. And then I have my phone, and then I have these 4 ramekins. I got milk for 4 cups of pudding. Well, I got 4 cups of milk, which is going to be the 4 cups of pudding. I did not film my trip to the grocery store this morning. I listened to Sabrina Carpenter's new album, and I listened to Conan Gray's new album instead. What I will show you here is what the milk selection looked like at the grocery store, which did not include the cute little tiny jugs that we saw at Meijer over the weekend. Just had, well, you'll see the milk that I got. I got it's still only 4 cups, thank God. I don't need to have more pudding than that. But it isn't the little jug, so this might be cheating. It is a jug that I think might be a little easier to pour out of, theoretically, but we'll see. I'm gonna do a cookie crushing montage, and then we'll get back to business. Okay, so I crushed the cookies and I put a little layer of rocks. They're rocks. It's still really roughly crushed. And I think you probably saw during the video for the montage that somehow this bag did bust open while I was crushing them. I don't know how I did it with the fold over bag, that I failed to do it with the one that actually zips closed. But I put a little bit of the rocks at the bottom to represent the Earth's crust, which, as Evey and I discussed, is garlic flavored, but in this is obviously Oreos. And now I'm going to get the pudding together, and this is the part that we have all been waiting for. So I'm going to set a timer for it because I don't want to be made a fool of. But the pudding on the container for the pudding directions, it says to beat the pudding mix and milk for 2 minutes, and then that the pudding will be soft set in 5. So I'm going to set a timer for 2 minutes to shake for 2 minutes, because I assume that'll make it so it's mixed together enough. But it won't be set enough for anything bad to happen. And by anything bad to happen, I mean me to be made a fool of. So here's the milk carton I got. Not the same kind of carton that we had seen at the Meijer that I wanted. Oh, it's really full. Okay, I'm gonna pour a little bit out, just so there's room for the pudding mix. But then it's not gonna be the full 4 cups. I'll have a little bit of a thick pudding. I just took this much out. Oh, you can't see that at all. I only took this much out. I'll just point with my fingers. Yeah, but anyway, not the milk carton shape that we had seen at the store. So there is that. I think this might be a little easier to pour out of since it's just kind of like straight down, but we will see. Let me get the pudding mix all ready. And let me get my timer. Okay. Okay, this is the moment we have all been waiting for. Yeah, okay. I'm a little worried about spilling like a lot of pudding powder on the counter, but it'll be fine. Okay, rapid succession. No, it's not sinking into the milk. Fuck. This is already going bad. It's already been more than 2 minutes. Fuck. I have a whole other package of pudding to put in this. I got some music together because I thought that I would get the pudding in and then I would just montage, like speed through this part. But it's kind of seeming like this is going to be involved. Ah, the pudding powder. Okay, fine. Maybe Evey was right. I think it would have been better in one of the V-shaped milk cartons instead. There's just not a lot of space at the top of this one to get the pudding mix in. I have so much more pudding powder to get into this container. I think it's already been 5 minutes. I mean, this isn't soft set because there's too much milk. There's still this much pudding powder left. It's pretty tight in there. I don't think this is going well. when I'm just standing here, it's because I'm squeezing the thing. Oh, there's pudding coming out the side. Fuck. No. This is a mess. This is a disgusting mess. And yeah, it's my fault. This was my idea. But I have to see it through to the end. Okay, maybe we need to move this into a different container. Okay, but like as a note, this is working. The pouring bit is working, it's just that the getting the pudding to mix together bit is not working. Okay, fine. So we'll do the rest of the dirt cup making the normal way. My plan didn't work. I was thwarted. I was wrong, and I will claim that. Okay, back to me. It didn't really work. My plan didn't really work. My vision. But I made dirt cups. The pudding is a little lumpy because of the process at which it was tortured through. But they are still dirt cups all the same. Evey, you were right. My bad. So glad that you convinced me we should mix it in a real mixing bowl. Maybe I would like to try it again because I'm insane with maybe the actual gallon shaped container. I do truly believe there just was not a lot of space at the top and the pudding did not sink into the milk at all. I think that's what I was expecting, kind of like a drink, a water flavorer. I guess it makes sense though, that's not really how pudding and milk mix. But maybe a little gallon container next time. Maybe you're gonna see another video that's me with a little milk container, gallon milk container, and another box of chocolate pudding. But until then, I am willing to concede this point. I hope you enjoy the video, like and subscribe. Yeah, and catch you guys all in a couple of weeks. Bye, love you!